Hey everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. Today is the time, it's the 18th of the month, so it's time for the Jewelry Making Fun collab. So for the month of January, we're working with the colors red or pink. Optional challenge 1, make a choker style necklace. Optional challenge 2, use hematite, gunmetal, or black findings, or a chain or wire, etc. So that's what I'm working with today. And for the most part, I've got the colors, and that's kind of where I stayed with using the colors for this month, which are red or pink. So I'm gonna start with, I guess, some earrings I made, and then I do have some bracelets. I did a little stacking of bracelets this time. Have some memory wire hoops that are pink and purple mostly. These are, so they meet that requirement for the pink, and pretty standard this seed bead hoops. So I have those, and I've got some, let's see, I have some smaller ones. These do have gold. They're pink and gold. I'm sorry, they're gold toned, and then they have pink and red and purple, the colors. Sorry, there they are. And I have one pair with that, one of the options was like use gunmetal or like metal beads, and so this pair is mixed metal. They have the little dark silver or gunmetal color right there, that little bead, and then I've got red and pink. So I have those, and kind of a different color, almost like a salmon colored hoop. And I think I'm most proud of these little stacking bracelets. I put like XOXO on there for Valentine's Day, and they are, the seed beads are red and pink, and there's some white and purple in there too. And then I have some bracelets just to stack with that one. So like a total of 3. They're just really cute Valentine's themed bracelets. And so that's what I've got today. I'd like to encourage everybody to watch the other creators. I will leave their link down in the description. And this is this challenge, or the Jewelry Making Fun collab, is sponsored by Deb Huck at Dahlia Designs. So thank you, Deb, and thank you all of the other creators that participate. And I hope that you definitely will go and watch their videos too. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Till next time.